In the heart of the city's winding, weathered alleys, we find our resilient protagonist, an enchantingly white feline named Whiskers. Life hasn't always been kind to Whiskers. Her plush fur may seem out of place, but in the roughened terrain of the city's alleyways, she's carved out a place of her own. Each day, Whiskers embarks on heartening exploits, climbing towering heaps of cardboard, skillfully traversing alleyway after alleyway, all the while challenging the fittest of city creatures for her survival. In the face of adversity, Whiskers holds her own, exhibiting her fierce resilience. Through her bold spirit and brilliant instinct, Whiskers turns her struggle into an adventure, inspiring the heart of every creature and human she encounters.